Hi, in this video lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a chart like FXHi5. I will teach you how to download the indicator from our web server and actually install it in your platform. So first thing first is you have to go to our website, and if you are not a registered member, it's okay, you can register as a free member, no problem. So after that, you will go to your profile page. In the profile page, you're gonna see this notice board, all this information. I highly recommend you to read all the information you see here, because this information you need for your upcoming things and all those kind of things. So here you can see the upcoming notice board, here something special is coming, that kind of thing we have written, and strategy videos you find it here. And obviously see a small note, and this is your indicator file you can download from here. Obviously this is a zip file, so you have to unzip with this password. Even this indicator is 100% free, but we have to protect these indicators, this resource, in a secured way. So first thing first, you have to know that this indicator run under our IB broker. You have to have a account number under our IB. Whatever broker you choose from here, I will recommend you IC Market for ECN broker, zero spread. They have very narrow zero spread account, because our trading strategy is based on scalping and all those kind of things, so we must need a ECN broker account. Also, Hot Forex give the zero spread account, and in Go Market they give Go Market Plus account, which is actually a zero spread account. But if you are not under our IB till now, for test purpose, you can send us one of your demo account numbers, so we can set it in our web server, so you can smoothly run all our indicator and template yourself. You can test this indicator and test our tutorials and all those kind of things. But when you realize that yes, it's working for you, obviously you can open a live account under our this broker, whatever, based on your country. And even if you are from USA or Canada, cannot open account under these IBs, let us know, we can help. You just send us an email in support section, we can help you that way also. So no problem with USA and Canadian people, no problem. And now when you download this indicator, obviously you will see a zip file like this, and inside the zip file obviously you will see all the indicators and all those information. So what you have to do is you have to open your platform, you have to go to file menu and open data folder, and after that you have to go to the template area, and from the zip file you have to copy this template to here, like already we did, and they will ask you the password, so you can give the password from here, copy paste it and password, so it will unzip automatically. And also in the MQL4 folder, indicator folder, you have to copy all the indicators from here. Okay, so after you complete all the thing, what you have to do, you must do it fast, that you must send your demo account number, or if you are already under our IB, you can send your live account number and then try to use it. Otherwise it will create lots of problem for you. So this account is already under our IB, so we can go right click template and bring this template. So this is all set. Here is a small information you must need to know. There is an indicator inside it that is called FXHi5 CV. So this is the special indicator. So for some broker they have currency extension, but for this Go Market broker we don't have any currency extension. So we will remove that and press OK. So it shows us the proper information, all those kind of thing. As you can see, I have another broker account open, that is Hot Forex. At this moment they have currency extension. You can see ORI, CHFB, something like that. So in that purpose you must actually use B instead of blank thing. So then you will get a proper information and all those kind of thing. This is very important for watching the spreads and all those kind of thing. So in our upcoming video, obviously we will tell you how to actually use all those things, but the magic is very interesting. If you need to change another currency pair, you just unselect. Let's say you have to go to GBP, GBP USD, something like that. So unselect GBP USD, so the chart will automatically change in your way. So this is the beauty of this thing, and lots of more information I will give you. This is a very powerful indicator and you will come to know how to use it for sure. So thank you for watching, and I will create a next video with troubleshooting installing this indicator. But it's very easy that you must use a broker account under our IB. So this is very easy, but if you don't have, you can send us a demo account, no problem, it will also run. And yeah, if you are having trouble installing these indicators, obviously just send an email. Our support team will help you as far they can. Thank you.